Hi, this is Kaisar from RankNinza. Once again, I am back with another useful video. And today's video is going to be very useful and interesting because there is a giveaway in this video. Maybe this is the first time I am participating or arranging a giveaway in my video. So you have to watch the full video for participating the giveaway. In today's video is for those people who are struggling to export data from WordPress or WooCommerce website. Today I'll show you how you can export product category from your WooCommerce website. Assume that you have a large WooCommerce website. There you have hundreds of product category and you need to export the product category in CSV file. Then how and what will you do? If you try to do it manually copy paste, then it will kill your valuable time. But today I will show you a easiest way by which within 2 minutes you can export anything from your WordPress website. Today I will use this plugin, that is export any WordPress data to XML/CSV. You will find it by searching the term WP all export or export any WordPress data. But free version is not enough to export product category from your website. But don't worry, I have already told you that there is a giveaway. So I will provide you the pro version of this plugin. So let's check the steps. First go to plugins and click add new plugins, and then select upload, choose file, and this is the pro version of WP all export pro, aka WP any export. Then click install now. To participate the giveaway, you have to subscribe my channel and write a comment below in the video. Then I will share the file with you for free. Don't forget to share your email in the comment box. You can also share your email by the WhatsApp number here, or you will find the number in the video description also. So I have already installed these plugins, so it is showing this plugins is already installed. So I am selecting replace with the current uploaded. Okay, now waiting to install the plugin newly, and now click activate plugin. It may take some time to activate the plugins. Alright, the plugins has been activated now. Scroll down and you should find all export and then click new export. Now what you want to export, select here, choose a post type. Look here, there is a lot of things to export from your WordPress website, but today's topic is for exporting product category. You cannot see product category in this list, but you have to select taxonomies, and then you have to select taxonomies, and the taxonomies is product categories. You can also export product brand, product color, product shipping classes, and everything you can export here. So I select product categories and it will show how many product categories in my website. Here there is 104 product categories will be exported. And now click customize export file. and then everything should be as it is. Just select the format you want to export. I prefer CSV file, and now click continue. And everything is looking fine. Just you can put anything as export file name and click confirm and run export. Then you can download the exported file. Anyway, if you need any help regarding web development, e-commerce solution, digital marketing or SEO, then you can directly contact with me. Here is my contact details. You will also find my contact details in the video description below. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It really inspires me a lot to create more useful video for you. So let's get back to the video and click confirm and run export. It will start exporting and it will show a progress bar. Here it is, and the export is done. Okay, now click the download to download the CSV file. Okay, it has been downloaded, and look, here is the product categories. So how easy it is now. So this is for today. We'll back with another useful video. Bye bye.